We've got a really long way to go to making it just livable, but I want to go beyond that, and I want this house to be lovable. I want to just have fun with that. Let's do something we've never done before. All right, guys, Elise Matthews is precious. So when we're thinking about design for her house, think about keeping it very youthful, but mostly keeping it as affordable as it can possibly be.
I really want to stay under $75,000. Being a young single woman, find something that I can call home.
All right, this is the Bush house.
Okay.
This is a $12,000 house, but it's important in Laurel's history. It is the last remaining structure of the Bush Dairy Farm. If you grew up in Laurel, it's very iconic. It's been blue since the day it was first painted, and I want to keep it blue.
This house is situated on such a beautiful property with the lake, with all the trees around it. So I think we can bring a lot of those nature-inspired patterns and colors into the house.
I agree. Elise is young. This means this is not her forever house. So for now, let's give her a house that is full of style and that is safe and beautiful. We don't want to give her like the luxury sedan. It's like that fun car you drive in college.
Yes.
Yes.
This house didn't really have any design choices of any kind before. I mean, it was just a house, just a place to make a meal and sleep and then go to work. So we've got our work cut out for us to make this house have style and personality. Hear me out. We're not gonna do marble countertops, but have you thought about laminate?
We've talked about
Yeah.
this before in the past,
Yeah.
and I'm kind of excited about laminate.
It's got a very like marbled look that's almost kind of modern. We're not gonna put $4,000 countertops in a $12,000 house. If we base all of our decisions around this that has to happen, what if we have fun with the backsplash? We can take spray paints, vinegar, and water to make mirrored mercury glass
I love that idea.
for the backsplash. I kind of think it's fun and we can afford it. So color, if we're gonna kind of go modern and kind of funky and fun, what if we play with green? You know how I feel about green.
It's gorgeous, and I love this green because it's a different green than what we've done in the past. It's not quite an olive, but it has a warmth to it. It's very sophisticated.
I don't think anyone's lived in it for the last like 15 years or so. The fireplace is completely rotted. The mantle is just like hanging by a thread, and it's held together by structural paint. The floors are horrible right now. We're just gonna cover them up completely with pine floors.
Right, good.
We've done it before and it's really beautiful. I think if we keep the woods light, it's gonna feel good. Then the rest of the house, we can tone it down on the wall colors because I wanna bring in fun and color with furnishing.
And I was thinking we could probably go with more of like a matchstick wood blind again.
So
to
we've got a
kind of add-
big window in that
Right.
living room,
Yeah.
dining room.
Right, and then add lots of layers of, you know, kind of color and texture with
Yes.
drapery. We start with really cleaning up the bones and then just really adding all of these personality touches.
I don't know what to do with that bathroom, y'all. That bathroom is tough.
I'm just gonna say this is atrocious.
It's revolting.
It's a tough, tiny space, and I think we're also trying to accomplish a laundry area into the equation as well. But if we add something like a large black honeycomb style tile, that would be a really pretty detail.
This whole house almost feels like a little beehive. And this feels beehivey.
Taking out that window and putting the shower and the tub there will actually give you a lot more space to put like a vanity. I feel like a big vanity where she can store everything she needs would be a lot more useful than what's there now.
I want Elise to jump up and down. She's so excited when she sees. I want her to be overcome with excitement. I think that houses like this make my artistic background shine. This backsplash, it doesn't have to be tile. Tile's cool, but we can use glass, we can make it unexpected, and then it's more personal that way. It makes it more special. Typically, the houses we're working on are forever homes. They're houses that are gonna be lived in for many, many years to come. And we have to have the highest quality, lasting, durable finishes in every decision. But in this house, because it's gonna be her home for a few years and then she'll move on, you know? So make this house perfect for her right now.